Hi everybody, welcome to another Where's the Gun box break. This one's for 2011 Bowman Sterling mini box. It is currently going to be 11:43 p.m. on Tuesday, April 3rd. And here is our buyer list. This is for a group of auctions ending on the 2nd. Alright. And we'll get going here. Thanks for bidding, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. First 100 subscribers with a YouTube channel will get entered into a drawing for a free box break. We still have a few spots left in that. So be sure to get entered in soon. You have to have a YouTube channel or else I'll have no name to put in the drawing. So if you don't have one, create one real quick and then subscribe. Started here, we have a Tandon Doss for the Ravens. And a Jacques Rogers, numbered to 299 for the Falcons. Refractor. We have a Dion Lewis for the Eagles. Autograph. I think we got a Dion Lewis autograph in this last week on one of our breaks. And we have a John Baldwin for the Chiefs, receiver. Jersey card there. And last up, we have a Sam Bradford jersey refractor numbered 88 out of 299. So there you go, Sam Bradford. Hits for the Rams, John Baldwin for the Chiefs, and the Dion Lewis for the Eagles. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for bidding, and be sure to check out my other auctions and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break.